Hi students, very good morning to one and all ma. 6th standard students, welcome back to the social science class. Listen students, previous class we have completed term 3 book la history lesson 1 ma. Okay, book page number, take your book page number. ஓகேங்களா 87ல் ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன் மேம் சொசைட்டி அண்ட் கல்ச்சர் இன் ஆன்ஷியன் தமிழகம் த சங்கம் ஏஜ். ஓகே, இந்த லெசனில் ஆஃப் லெசன் கம்ப்ளீட்டட். ஓகே, ஸோ டுடே பேலன்ஸ் லெசன் we will see the video ma. See in this lesson, okay, Sangam literature is the main source for the ancient Tamil society. What is the meaning Sangam age ma? The Sangam refer to them, okay, location of poets, okay, who flourished under the royal patronage of the Pandya kings at Madurai. Okay, what is the Sangam age? Sangam means association of poets. Okay, next the period which these poems were composed, the Sangam age. Okay, previous class we have completed ma. Next sources, what are the books available in Sangam age? Inscription, okay, copper plate, coins, megalithic monuments, excavated materials from literary sources, then foreign notices. Okay, previous class we have seen. Next, Tolkappiyam is a famous Tamil grammar book. It represents the quality of Tamil language and the culture of Tamil people of the Sangam age. Okay, next, Cheras. Okay, previous class we have seen ma Sera Sola Pandya rulers. Then he captured areas also. Previous class we have seen. Sera means so Moovendargal. They are called a Moovendar. Who are they? Sera, Sola and Pandiyar. Okay, the Chera ruled over the central north Trivandrum, Cochin, South Malabar, Kongu region of Tamil Nadu. Okay, the Paditru is a collection of 10 decades of verses. It tells about the Sera's life history. Okay, Paditru is a Tamil book. It tells about Sera's life history. It's known as the Chera king Senkuttuvan went on a military expedition to North India. Okay, next, prominent of Chera rulers. Who are they ma? Udayan Cheraladan, Imayavaramban Nedun Cheraladan, Seran Senkuttuvan. Okay, next Seral Irumborai. Okay, these are all prominent Chera rulers. Then next, Solas. Kingdom of Sangam period extend up to Vengadam hills. The Kaveri Delta regions remain the central part of the kingdom. Okay, so prominent Chola rulers, who are they? See, Ilan Chetni, Karihal Valavan, Koth Chenganan, Killi Valavan, okay, Perunar Killi. Then Pandyas ruled the present day southern part of Tamil Nadu. Okay, he ruled the area Madurai. Several names of Pandyan kings are mentioned in the Sangam literature. So Nedunjeliyan is hailed the most popular warrior. He defeated the combined army of the Chera, Chola and 5 Velir chieftains at Talayalanganam. Okay, he is praised as the Lord of Korkai. Okay, next, Pandyan rulers famous prominent Nediyan, Nanmaran, okay, Mudugumuni, Peruvaladi, Mudukudumi, Peruvaladi, Nedunjeliyan. Okay, they are famous prominent Pandyan rulers. These are the Pandyan rulers area ma. Cheras ruled area, Pandyas ruled area Madurai, Cholas famous ruled area. Okay, Arikamedu, Nagapattinam, Kaveri Pumpattinam, this area ruled by Cholas. Then Cheras ruled ma this area Musiri is a capital. Okay, Kanyakumari ruled Cheras. Then Korkai. Okay, Pandyas famous capital Korkai. See, Cheran, Cholan, Pandyan titles assumed Moovendars. Then Movenders were Corland. What is a port? Capital, symbols. Previous class we have seen. What is a Chera's capital? What more? Chera capital, Vanji or Karur. Chola capital what? Urayur or Puhar. Pandya's capital what? Madurai. Okay. Chera's symbol what? Bow and arrow. Chola symbol what ma? Tiger. Pandya's symbols what? Two fish. Okay. Next, minor chieftains ma? Ayu, Velir, Kilar. Then, Kadayelu Peruvellalgal, we have seen last class ma? Who are they Kadayelu Vellalgal? Pari, Kari, Ori, Behan, Ai, Adiyaman and Nalli. They were popular for their generous patronage of Tamil poets. Okay. Next, Sangam policy like kingship. Kingship we have seen ma. Kingship means okay, heredity. The king was called Ko or Vendan. Okay, king another name Mannan, Kotravan, Kon. Okay, or Irayavan. Okay, the eldest son of the reigning king generally succeeded by the throne. ஓகே அரசனுக்கு மூத்த பையனாரும் அவங்க தான் ராஜாவுக்கு அடுத்து அரசாட்சி பெறக்கூடிய தகுதி உடையவங்க இருந்தாங்க. Then the coronation ceremony was known as okay அரசு கட்டில் ஏறுதல் or முடிசூட்டு விழா. The grown prince was known as Komahan while the young ones were known as Ilango, Ilanjelian, okay, and Ilanjeral. King held a daily darbar at which he heard the resolved all the problems. Then king court ma, see king's court was called what ma? Arasavai. The king occupied the ceremonies throne in court is called Ariyanai. Okay, then army. The king's army consisted of 4 divisions, namely infantry, cavalry, elephants and chariot force. Okay, the chief of the army was known as okay. See, Tani Talaivan. The prominent weapons used during this period were sword, kedayam. Okay, then shield. Okay, next Tamram, spears, bows and arrows. Okay, Tamram is mentioned as a missile to be the thrown as an enemy from a distance. Okay, enemy distance like missile which enna pannanga attack pannanga. The place where the weapons were kept was known as okay Padaikotil. Padaikotil. The forts were protected by deep moats and trenches. The war drum was worshipped as a deity. Okay, deity means God. Then law justices. Okay, law justices. The king was the final authority for approval in the capital town. King was the head. Okay, he gave only for justice. So he called the away. In the villages, Mandram served as the place for dispensing justice. In civil cases, the method of trial followed was to call upon the plaintiff to thrust his hand into a pot containing a cobra. A cobra bit him, he was sentenced. If the cobra did not bite him, he was not considered innocent and acquitted. Okay, civil cases, the persons will be bit by cobra. Okay, so cobra did not bite him, he was considered innocent and acquitted. So punishment was always severe. So excursion were ordered for theft cases. The punishment awarded for other crimes included beheading, mutilation of the offending limbs of the body, so torture and imprisonment and imposition of fines. So law and justice in kingdom period very severe to the people. Then local administration. The entire kingdom was called Mandalam. Mandalam was divided into Nadus. Kuram was subdivision of Nadu. The Ur was a village classified into Perur, Sirur, Mudur depending upon its population size and antiquity. Pattinam was the name for a coastal town. கடலோர பகுதி ஃபுல்லாக they are called a பட்டினம், coastal area called a பட்டினம். Puhar was a general term okay for harbor town, துறைமுக நகரங்கள் ஃபுல்லாக Puhar. Okay, so entire kingdom was called what ma? Mandalam. Okay, next important towns: Puhar, Urayur, Korkai, Madurai, Usiri, Vanji or Karur and Kanji. Okay, these are famous towns in kingdom period. Then Tinai based Sangam society ma'am. See, the land form was divided into 5 Tinais ma'am. What are they? Already we have studied no Tamil P class. See, Kurinji landscape. Okay, Kurinji hilly region. Then occupation hunting and gathering. People Kuravar Kuratiya, deity Murugan. So Kurinji regions deity god Huma Murugan. Then Mullai forest region herding. Okay, next they are called a people, Mullai land people called Aya or Aichiyar, deity Mayan. Marudam landscape plains. Okay, riverine track. Okay, agriculture is famous occupation. Marudam people are called Ulavan. Okay, Ulatiyar. Indiran is the famous god for Mullai land. Sorry, Marudam land deity god ma Indiran. Okay, then Neidal landscape coastal regions, occupation fishing, salt making. Okay, then Neidal people are called Baradavar, Mulatiyar. Okay, next Neidal deity Varunan. Next Palai landscape, parched land. Okay, fully dry land, very less rainfall only. So Palai land, desert land. Occupation heroic deeds. Palai people are called Maravar. Okay, Marathiyan. Then deity Kottravai. Okay, deity means god. Okay, next land was classified according to its fertility. Marudam was called Menpulam, fertile land. It produced paddy and sugarcane. The rest of the landscape excluding Neidal was called Vanpulam, hard land. So it produced pulses and dry grains. Okay, so how many types of land ma? There are 5 types. What are they? Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. Okay, then status of women. See, there were no restriction for women in social life. No restriction. இந்த தடைமே இல்லை விமனுக்கு social lifeல. There were land and wise women. Okay, wise women means they were very well land and wise women. 40 women poets had lived and left behind their valuable works. Okay, 40 women poets had lived and left behind their valuable works. Marriage was a matter of self-choice. However, okay, chastity was considered the highest virtue of man. Okay, chastity means karpu was considered as the highest virtue of women. Sons and daughters had equal shares in their parents' property. Okay, then women poets of Sangam age, see, okay, Avvaiyar, Vellividiyar, Kaki Padiniyar, Adi Mandiyar, Ponmudiyar, they are famous women poets in Sangam age. Okay, then religious beliefs and social divisions. See, the primary deity of the Tamils was Seiyan or Murugan. So Tamil god, who is the Tamil god ma? Murugan or Seiyan. Other gods worshipped during Sangam period were Sivan, okay, Vishnu, Indiran, Varunan and Kottravai. The hero stone hero stone means what ma? Nadukal. Worship was in practice. Buddhism and Jainism also go existed. Okay, do you know Nadukal ma? Hero stone. So the young man will be them. See the Nadukal or Veerakal. The ancient Tamils had a great respect for the heroes who died in the battlefield. The hero stones were erected to the commemorate heroes who sacrificed their lives in war. Okay, பேட்டில் வாரில் இறந்து போன இளம் வீரர்களுக்காக இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த கல் பேர் தான் நடுக்கல், வீரக்கல். அதில் அவங்களுடைய என்ன பொருத்தப்பட்டிருக்கு? எரெக்டட் டு த கோமிமெரோட் ஹீரோஸோடைய தியாகத்தை மென்ஷன் பண்ணி அந்த கல்லை பொறிச்சிருப்பாங்க. அந்த கல்லுக்கு பேர் தான் நடுக்கல் ஆர் வீரக்கல். ஓகே, ஸோ caste did not develop in Tamilagam as did in the northern India. Varuna system came to Dravidan south comparatively late. Okay, so caste did not develop. Sangam age la no caste, all are equal. So women's and girls, so women's and gents are all are equal. Okay, all are shared to the equal parents property. Okay, then Sangam period la dress and ornaments, see the rich people wear muslin, silk, same rich people wore muslin, silk and fine cotton garments. The common people wore 2 pieces of cloth made of cotton. The Sangam literature referred to cloth which were thinner than the skin of a snake. Kalingam. Okay, Kalinga cloth they wore. Women adorned their hair plates with flowers. Okay, women adorned hair plates with flowers. Both men and women wore a variety of ornaments. They were made up of gold, silver, pearls, precious stones, conch shells and beads. The people were fond of using aromatic perfumes. Okay, Sangam age la men and women they are used different kinds of ornaments. Okay, gold, silver, pearls they are used. Then they are using aromatic perfumes. Okay, next Sangam age la arts. There are many references to variety of musical instruments such as drum, flute and yal. Kariharan was master of 7 notes of music. Okay, singing birds were called Panar and Viraliyar. Dancing was performed by Kannigayar. Kuthu, folk drama was the most important cultural practice of the people of Sangam age. They developed the concept of Muttamil. Okay, what are they Muttamil ma? Iyal, Isai and Nadagam. They are called the Muttamil. So arts are very well and planned in Sangam age. Okay, then Sangam age occupation. The major occupation of the people were agriculture, cattle rearing, fishing and hunting. Other craftsmen like carpenter, blacksmith, goldsmith and potters were also part of the population. Weaving was the most common part-time occupation. So weaving is the part-time occupation in the Sangam age. Farmer and a regular full-time job for many others. Okay, farmer and other jobs also full-time work. Weaving only part-time job work in the Sangam age. Okay, next festivals and entertainments in Sangam age. See, people celebrated several festivals in Sangam age. The harvest festival. What is the harvest festival? Pongal. And the festival of spring, Kartigai, were some of them. Okay, Indra Villa was celebrated in the capital. There were many amusement and games. This included dances, festivals, bullfights, hog fights, dance, hunting, wrestling and playing in swings. Children played with toy hut and with the sand house made by them. So these are all entertainment of Sangam age people. Okay, next trade. Okay, trade existed at three levels. First one, local, overland and overseas. Okay, the extensive and lucrative foreign trade that Tamilagam enjoyed during this period stand testimony of the fact Tamils had been great seafarers. Warehouses for storing the goods were built along the coast. Okay, so the chief port and the lighthouses which were called Kalangarai, Kalangarangu Sugar, Kalangarailangu Sudar, Kalangarai Vilangu Vilakku Sudar. Caravans, merchants carried their merchandise to different places in auction driven carts. Barter system was prevalent. Barter system, what is the meaning barter system? Previous class term 2 book already we have completed. Barter system means they were exchanged the things. Okay, they were exchanged the things called a barter system. Okay, உப்பையும் ரைஸையும் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிப்பாங்க பிஸ்னஸ். ஓகே, ஃபார்மர்ஸ் தே ஆர் கால்ட் அ பார்ட்டர் சிஸ்டம். ஸோ வணிகம் வந்து 3 லெவலில் நடந்திருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் லோக்கல், ஓவர்லேண்டு, தென் ஓவர்சீஸ் கடலுக்கு மேலே நடந்திருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஓவர்லேண்டு ஸ்கையில் நடந்திருக்கு. ஸ்கையில் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஓவர்லேண்டு ஸ்கை மூலமாக ஆகாய விமானம் மூலமாக நடந்திருக்கு. ஃபஸ்ட்டு லோக்கலாக நடந்திருக்கு, தரைவெளியாக நடந்திருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கடல்வெளி ட்ரேடு, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஓவர்லேண்டு. ஸோ எக்ஸ்டென்சிவ் லாக்ரேட்டிவ் ஃபாரின் ட்ரேடு தான் தமிழகத்தை வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்க, ஓவராக என்ஜாய் பண்ணி டூரிங் திஸ் பீரியட் என்ஜாய் அண்ட் டெஸ்டிமனி டு த ஃபேக்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ தமிழ்ஸ் had been great seafarer. So warehouse for storing the goods were built along the coast. The chief fort means what? Thuraimugam, lighthouses. Okay, they are called Kalangira Vilakku Sudar. Next, caravan and merchants carried their merchandise to different places. Oxen driven cart. Okay, எருது வண்டி அதெல்லாம் அந்த காலத்தில் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. They are used for trade. Then Malabar black pepper. See, when the mummy of Ramses II of the Egypt was uncovered, archaeologists found black pepper corns stuffed into his nostrils, in his abdomen. Okay, in his abdomen. So this is a Malabar black pepper is a medicine. Okay, it's a black pepper corn stuffed into his nostril. It is okay in his abdomen as a part of embalming process practiced in olden days. They are used for medicine, black pepper. Then there were 2 kinds of markets or bazaars in the leading cities like Puhar and Madurai. In Madurai they were Nalangadi and Allangadi. Okay, Nalangadi means Nalangadi means morning bazaar. Al means night. Okay, Allangadi, in this market large varieties. Okay, the evening bazaar. So morning bazaar and evening bazaar. There are 2 kinds of markets in leading cities like Puhar and Madurai. These markets large varieties as well as large quantities of goods were sold and purchased. Next, major ports Musiri, Dandi and Korke. They are major ports. Then main exports, what are they? Salt, pepper, ivory, silk, spices, diamonds, saffron, okay, precious stones, muslin, sandalwood, they are main exports. Then main import, topaz, tin, wine, glass, horses, main imports. Then silk supplied by Indian merchants to the Roman Empire was considered so important that the Roman Emperor Aurelian declared to be worth its weight in gold. So silk is supplied by Indian merchant to the Roman Empire. Okay, so it is weight for equal to gold. Then Musiri first emporium, the Roman writer The Roman writer Pliny the Elder writes of Musiri in his Natural History as the first emporium of India. Okay, shopping complex ma first emporium of India, Musiri. Then temples of Augustus was built at Musiri, which had a Roman colony. Then a papyrus document, okay, records the agreement between two merchants, shippers of Alexandria and Muziris. Okay, see, trade and contact with overseas countries. See, overseas countries trade contact with other countries. Archaeological excavation have confirmed the trading relation between the Tamilagam and the countries such as Greece, Rome, Egypt, China, Southeast Asia and Sri Lanka. Okay, next Kalapras. Towards the end of the 3rd century, the Sangam period slowly went into decline. Decline means veelchadaiyayiruchu. So following the Sangam period, the Kalapras had occupied the Tamil country for about 2.5 centuries. So we have very little information about Kalapras. So they left neither artifacts nor monuments. So there is evidence in their rule in literary text. Okay, literary text only evidence in their life. Then the literary source for this period include Tamil noveler Saridai. Then next Yapan Kalam and Periya Puranam, Yaparan Kalam, Sivaga Sindamani, Kundalagesi were also written during this period. So in Tamilagam, Jainism, Buddhism became prominent during this period. So introduction of Sanskrit and Prakrita language has resulted in the development of new script called Vetteluthi, Vatteluthu. Vatteluthu. So introduction of Sanskrit and Prakrita language had resulted in the development of new script Vatteluthu. Many works under Padinan Keelkanaku were composed. Trade and commerce continued to flourish during this period. So the Kalapara period is not a dark age. Is it portrayed? See, this is elsewhere, mom. Gateway. In China, Han Dynasty period, it is a gateway of China. This is pyramid. Mayan civilization. It is located in Central America. Gateway. It is located in China in period 206 BC. BC means before Common Era. AD means CE, Common Era. Next, Colosseum, Roman civilization. It is located. Colosseum is located in Italy, 3rd BC, 1st AD. Next, summary. See, the word Sangam refer to the association of poets. Sangam refer to the association of poets who flourished under the royal patronage of the Pandya kings at Madurai. Moovendar, who are they? Sera Sola Pandyan. Control the territories of Tamilagam during the Sangam age. Then, apart from them, 3 great monarchies, Tamil country was ruled by several independent minor chieftains. Then, archaeological excavation have confirmed the trading relation between Tamilagam and many foreign countries. Next, towards the end of 3rd century, the Sangam period slowly started to decline. The Kalapras occupied to the Tamil country. Evidence of the rule is available in Jain and Buddhist literature. Then, glossary meaning see verb. See, strove. Strove means what? Tried hard. Tried hard. Kadum uyarchi. Dynasty. A line of hereditary rulers. Rajavamsam. Next, commemorate, to honor the memory of, கௌரவிப்பதற்கு. Okay, commemorate means கௌரவித்தல். Royal insignia, symbol of power, அரசு சின்னம். Patronage, support given by patron. Okay, ஆதரவு. Next, pleasant. Pleasant means displayed, okay, vividly, வெளிக்காட்டுதல். Acquitted, released. Okay, next, birds. Poets singing in praise of princes and brave man. புலவர்கள். Warehouse, a large building for keeping goods. Okay, portrayed. Portrayed means described elaborately. Described elaborately. Okay, have you all understand, ma'am? Same. Next, see your book back exercise, ma'am. See. Page number 97. Same. Choose the correct answer. Pattini cult in Tamil Nadu was introduced by, okay, what is the answer, ma? Cheran Senguttuvan. Then second one, which dynasty was not power during the Sangam age? Pallavas. Second one, C answer, Pallavas. Third one, the rule of Pandyas was followed by Kalapras. Fourth one, the lowest unit of administration during the Sangam age. Okay, what is the answer, ma? Third one, fourth one answer, war. Fifth one, what was the occupation of the inhabitants of the Kurinji region? Answer C, hunting and gathering. Okay, listen students. So today's section homework, history lesson 1 fully completed. So today homework, ma, history lesson 1 class work complete. Then map book, you take your map book, ma. Map book la history la one to 10 fully right. Then geography, so map 1 to 10 fully. Okay, history la map book la 1 to 10 fully right. Geography map 1 la ma'am, map 14 to 20. Okay, complete. Then lesson 1 book back exercise, question answer will come PDF. You see the PDF and complete your book back exercise and question answer. Okay, have you all understand, ma? So fill up, choose, match, one word question answer will come PDF. See the PDF and write neatly, students. Okay, next class we will see. Then map book la have completed. Okay, history la 1 to 10 fully, already 5 fully completed, no. Then balance 5 you write in pencil, don't write pen. Then geography map book la map 14 to 20 complete. Then class work you take your new note and write, ma. Okay, you divide the column 3 part divide, history, geography, civics. Okay, economics you divide 4 parts, divide in your classwork note. First part you mark history. Okay, history portion mark page first you write neatly, ma. Okay, okay, next class we will see, ma. Thank you, students.